Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted photos and also videos on Android. So if you accidentally hit the delete all button on your gallery, here I'm going to show you the hidden trash bin location, the cloud recovery tricks, and also the best deep scan tools for those impossible situations. So first you can do the you can check the trash folder in the Google Photos. So if you back up your photos on Google Photos, you can just easily find the trash here. You can just go to the Google Photo first, and then you can just hit on the three sorry click on your photo at the top, and you can just go to the collection option and click on trash, and this is where you can find your deleted photos. And to recover them, you can just hit on the select button, and then here you'll find the option to restore all. So that's the first option. The second one, you can also do the cloud time machine. So you can just find the auto backups you didn't even know were turned on. You can find it on maybe again Google Photos or another cloud apps that you use. You can also use a third-party apps to find fragments of deleted data on your internal storage. You can find the third apps on the Play Store. Just find, you can also use the keyword deep scan recovery as the keyword, and in here there will be lots of options that you can choose. And you can also use a PC to pull data off a corrupted or formatted memory card. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.